my clothes. Wrist so icy, I'm so froze. Pour another shot of Patron. Keep dancing in the night, ain't your zone. She looks so fine, not like yo. She want another shot, I told her let's go. Getting on my line, yeah, on my phone. Sliding on the dance with DJ, let's go.
I don't need no drip, you see. Already got it in my energy, yeah. You gon' know it when you fuck with me, girl. You gon' know it when you fuck with me, ayy. See, I gotta walk it out, yeah. Smoke behind me, I push back my clouds, yeah. I got too drunk at the club and blacked out. I don't give fucks about the fame or the clout. Not that shit I'm about. I don't wanna complicate shit. I just want my compensation. Not that shit I'm about. I don't wanna complicate shit. I just want my compensation.
Alright guys, so we went to drive away and there is no more clutch. It won't build pressure, it won't do anything. Like there's just nothing. So we are not driving, I guess. Let's see if it's leaking here. I don't see leaking here. Maybe it's the slave cylinder. Oh yeah. There does seem to be a puddle there. Oh, we have some fluid. There's just no more clutch pedal. No? No. I think I see a small puddle, so maybe my slave blew out. But that would be due to...
More sense.
Yeah.
That, I mean, like it was going out, but it
Ooh.
wasn't that bad.
Maybe the clutch slippage is due to the slave not applying. No, because that weirdness. I don't know. Whatever. Fuck it. It almost backfires.
Dude, it's so...
Daniel's like, what are you doing in my house? Huh?
This one sounds much better.
It sounds much better. I don't know, it sounds cool. Oh, Marcin is here too.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah.
ITUs.
It's complete M3 swaps.
Okay.
So this will go in there.
This plus link ECU.
Yeah.
This is a Volvo Grill. This is Daniel's touring. Together, we will make a Volvo touring today. It's gonna be real ghetto style. There will be literally zero effort put into this. You excited?
I'm excited. But you have to wait for the second part. Look at this.
Ah, precision cutting.
Better?
Nah, we
Yeah.
could probably leave those. Now we test fit. Yeah, that looks a lot better than it was before.
Yeah.
Ancient zip tying methods. That was in there. And then we just fish her back in. Oh, see that? Fumbling. Now we need a screwdriver and we'll shove that in there. There we go. That's good.
one side.
Hold on. It's like fishing. Look at that. No measuring required.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And it sits almost perfectly, I
Yeah,
think.
it's almost straight.
At least you can easily adjust it.
Yeah, yeah. It'll be active cooling. When you go faster, it'll open up. Oh yeah.
Looks sick.
I'm proud of our project too.
Yeah.
We're real good car builders.
It's something like 5-minute craft, something like that.
Yeah, definitely. Did not take long at all. You just saw that. Very European vehicle. So what are we doing here today? It's not related to drifting, but
Not really related to drift, but like 2 days ago I came up with idea while talking to Daniel that I have some old halogen lights and I searched for them in my garage, and like yesterday I came to Daniel and tried to mount it on the Golf to make it look like
you did what?
And today we are probably making the wiring to the lights just to make them work.
Because there's nothing that goes to them right now.
Why did you decide to mount them there and not like the bottom of the bumper, like right here or something?
Bumper is not that stiff. Like
Color mounting?
yeah. Because it's made of plastic and like there's nothing behind the bumper that you can attach the lights. So that's why I choose to put them on the
Yeah, this will make a good drift chase car on the Toge.
Yeah.
You can follow us now and light up the road well.
They're kind of angled out too, just a little bit.
These are our real good friends in Canada. Send us stickers and real cool clothing. Check them out. After Hours Supply Co. So we took the light out of the housing. This is what it looks like. Just gonna run a single power wire to this guy. Probably downwards to the battery. And then a switch in line. I have been donated new work shoes. And we found wiring here in the garage. Daniel is sponsoring this build. This'll do.
Rocked up.
Hmm?
Huh?
What?
What?
Rocked up? Wrapped up?
Yeah.
I guess it is wrapped up.
Rocked.
Rocked?
Huh?
Okay, so the way we're gonna wire this, we have the light. It is connected to a power wire there, and here is our ground. Now Trevor is going to hold it to the strut bar to ground it, and I'm going to poke this plug while Angelo turns on and off the lights, and that way we will see which one triggers that one. And we're shooting for the fog light, so it turns on with the fog lights. We actually already tested it, and we know which one it is. Could you hold the phone for me too?
Sure.
Thank you. So, it is this one. Okay, Angelo. See, we have power, and that's off the fog lamp switch. So, we will be cutting into that wire.
Hell yeah.
So now we have to put the cables inside this cover, like that. So there's the connector to the power. Yep. And then we will put this cable like that. Yeah. It will be fixed.
enough probably. Yeah, we'll put it underneath this mat so it runs along there nicely. Couple zip ties here so it just runs with that. And then I have prepared this cable here. We're gonna just wrap it around there and then tape it up, and it'll just get its power from there. Alright, we have all the wires routed. They're grounded to the strut bar, and then this one is clipped into there. So turn on your regular lights. So those are the regular lights, and now turn on your fog lights. Oh yeah. Pretty sick. Alright, so here from the interior, you turn on the lights. And then you pull this to turn them on. Pretty cool. This is Hubert's E34.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to be on camera. Look. Jesus Christ. Yabba dabba doo.
Yabba dabba doo.
He's getting new sails welded in.
And
These
floor.
are awesome. Yeah.
And engine.
And the floor. New engine as well. Here's the old E34.
My last engine, that was M20 cracked the head.
Yeah. And these are the this is what the other side sort of looked like before.
Yeah, it was worse.
It was worse.
The other side was much worse.
Jesus. Yep. No, this is a cool. How much were these?
For the pair, it was like 300 zloty.
That's really cheap. That's like $75 US.
Yeah. So
Crazy.
cheap. And they,
Yeah.
and the quality of them is like maybe not perfect. They're a bit thin, but like when you try to screw them, they fit perfectly.
Yeah, they fit really nice.
The originals. So yeah, it's gonna be more simple because of that.
This will be a really cool car when it's done.
Yeah, when it's done.
I mean, it's cool now.
Yeah, but are they ever
Like,
are they ever done?
No, they're never done.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. The fun fact about this car is like I bought it from 77-year-old guy. He had this car for 25 years.
Wow.
And it's actually it's 89 BMW E34 with just normal E34.
Oh, that's
I
cool.
found it just in a barn.
You got the M-Tech wheel.
Did he get this redone?
Yeah,
Did he get this redone? Or is it
those
just
are
covers?
covers.
Oh, just
Those are covers, yeah.
Yeah,
So I'm not worried about them getting dirty because I'm
What's
thinking.
dirty?
Huh? I don't care.
Oh, no.
Seriously, I don't care.
Looks like my breath.
Jesus.
I'm thinking about some Alcantara or maybe leather.
Hell yeah.
But the insides for this car aren't cheap,
No.
especially in good condition.
We've got an all-American airborne pack.
So this is what's left before the new parts get welded on.
Yeah.
It's really not a lot.
Not a lot, if any. I'm scared to cut more because make whole chassis may collapse.
Yeah,
But-
yeah. Better to be safe rather than
Yeah.
sorry.
I'm gonna weld this. That's already cut it, and then I'm gonna try to find any more rust, cut it out, and weld fresh pieces on.
Oh, this is gonna be very, very cool once it's done. Here's the old, just pieces of E34. What's up, you guys? Okay, so as you saw in the last video, my car just decided to not have a clutch anymore. I literally parked it for a week, drove to work in this Mazda right here, and my car just decided to fail me. So right now we are in the process of changing out the the clutch slave cylinder. It's been a long day as well today, and we got our first like real snowfall, so it's disgusting out there. Try to make this short and sweet because the lighting's gonna be awful, but yeah. Alright, we got the tool kit here. Pretty positive all we will need is a 13 on a extension and some wrench to take off the line. Here is the new slave. It was less than $20 USD, so we will see how long this lasts. Over here we have this piece of wood I made, or not made but had, and I put garbage bag on it. I'm gonna put another one here, and that is gonna be my my mechanic's bed. Oh, look who showed up. Trevor showed up. This is my situation here. Got the wheel underneath, the jack, and we'll lay the bed right here. Alright, we're underneath the BMW. It's very safe. You see it's sitting over there. It's secured here. That tire's in the air. That back tire's in the air. It's sitting there. And this tire's in the air. Good time to notice my my exhaust. I need to put another muffler in it there. Anyway, so we got the old slave out. Here's the new one. We had to snap the line. Now I have sanded that flat. I'm sure that's good for it. And we're gonna attempt to flare this and hope it works so I don't have to make an entire new line from the master to the slave. Alright guys, so that's full. I've already pumped it up from the inside and it's actually holding and making some pressure. So that means that my ghetto line fix worked, which is amazing. It is dark now. Oh yeah, there she is, new guy. It's also Christmas Eve. My grandfather says that I'm not allowed to work tomorrow, so he's gonna come and help me do this tonight. I need someone to hold the clutch while I bleed. My little 8mm here.
Designer on my clothes, wrist so icy, I so froze. Pour another shot of Patron. Keep dancing in the night, ain't your zone. She looks so fine, not like yo. She want another shot, I told her let's go. Get it on my line, yeah, on my phone. Sliding on the dance with DJ, let's go.
Free when I'm walking in no function, I'm the moon. But I'm actually with them free, cause you know that I like you, like you, I like you. Though I'm with them free, shorty, I like to fuck it the way that you do, the way that you do. I'm a little we got a bucket, and those cups ain't for you.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Saint Nick over here in his sleigh. So you can hear the car running. My grandfather did in fact help me bleed the clutch, so that's awesome. And it works. I didn't film last night because it was too dark. So here we got it. Remember, setting your priorities is a necessary part of the process. My priority was clutch. Now we move. Oh, it engages nice and low too, like right away. So that's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and Merry Christmas. I hope you guys have a great holiday. Thank you.
I don't want a complication, I just want my compensation. I don't want a complication, I just want my compensation.